1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass Convertible. She has the 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. She has a set of 24-inch artist wheels. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior is nice and clean. Paint, in my opinion, is a solid 8. Let's check her out. You gotta love an Oldsmobile. They would have continued to make performance models, I think they'll still be around today. As y'all can see, the paint is in excellent condition. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid nice and solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior is nice and clean. She has the steering wheel that matches the wheels. Bucket seats. Console with floor mounted T-shifter. She has a fire extinguisher up there. Anybody with a classic car that got audio should have a fire extinguisher. Back seat nice and clean. Convertible top functions as it should. Check out that dash. Mileage reads a little over 75,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She has the Olds 350 cubic inch 5.7 liter V8. She's backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes, power steering. Let's start her up. She fired right up. Y'all make sure y'all head to rollermuseums.com. I got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Your dream car truck is literally one call away. Don't miss out. She's running nice and strong. Thank y'all for watching and y'all have a good one.